facility rate shall remain unchanged at 5.25%, and the marginal standing facility rate and the bank rate at 5.75%. The MPC also decided to continue with the neutral stance. The MPC noted that while headline inflation is much lower than projected earlier, it is mainly due to volatile food prices, especially in vegetables. Core inflation, on the other hand, has remained steady around the 4% mark as anticipated. Inflation is projected to go up from the last quarter of this financial year. Growth is robust and as per earlier projections, though of course below our aspirations. The uncertainties of tariffs are still evolving. Monetary policy transmission is continuing. The impact of the 100 basis points rate cut since February 2025 on the broader economy is still unfolding. On balance, therefore, the current macroeconomic conditions, outlook, and the uncertainties call for continuation of the policy repo rate of 5.5% and wait for further transmission of the front-loaded rate cut to the credit markets and to the broader economy. Accordingly, the MPC unanimously voted to keep the repo rate unchanged. The MPC further resolved to maintain a close vigil on the incoming data and the evolving domestic growth inflation dynamics to chart out the appropriate monetary policy path. Accordingly, all members decided to continue with the neutral stance. Now I'll turn to an assessment of the growth and inflation in our country. First of all, growth. Domestic growth is holding up and is broadly evolving along the lines of our assessment, even though some high-frequency indicators showed mixed signals in May, June this year. Rural consumption remains resilient, while urban consumption revival, especially discretionary spending, is tepid. Fixed investment, supported by buoyant government capex, continues to support economic activity. On the supply side, steady southwest monsoon is supporting kharif sowing, replenishing reservoir levels, and boosting agriculture activity. Moreover, services activity remains steady, though some high-frequency indicators recorded a modest expansion. Services PMI increased to an 11-month high of 60.5 in July 2025. Construction activity continues to exhibit resilience. However, growth in the industrial sector remained subdued and uneven across segments.